Welcome to SWAPP Web Application SWAPP. In this video, which will be the part 6 of delivery function, will cover how to manage shipments. This video will also include the various changes that have been added to this functionality. So first let's go to the delivery function. There we have all the active delivery nodes listed. Previously, this list was in collapsed mode and you can click and expand. But right now, this is in expanded mode by default, and some fields from the top section have been removed and a filter is available. For viewing the all records, you can click on all checkbox. These two fields become active. You can specify the date range and search out for the data. In order to explain the shipment, we need to be aware of one of the SWAPP user parameters. For that, let's go to Swallow desktop application. There under global user parameters SWAPP, we have delivery note handling. For those customers who opted for this first option, that is only printout, they will be having both delivery note and shipment. And having a shipment is a mandatory step for such customers. For those who have opted the second option, that is print and do delivery, they will be having only up to the step of ready to ship. For such customers, we don't require any shipment. And once it is marked as ready to ship and marked as completed, it will totally disappear from the delivery note list. It is already explained in the previous video. You can please refer that. Similarly, we have a shipment tab which lists all the active shipments. There are two ways for sending delivery to customer. The first option is that you can send individually each delivery note. And second option is that you can select multiple deliveries and send it together as a single unit to the customer. And for that, we use the shipment. Inside the shipment, we can link multiple delivery notes to a shipment number and later manage the shipment as a whole using the shipment tab. In order to link a shipment number to a delivery note, we have two options. The first is from inside this delivery note tab. There you have the provision to select multiple delivery notes. And once these delivery notes are selected, as you can see, this truck icon becomes active. If no delivery notes are selected, this will be inactive. You can choose multiple delivery notes and you can click on this truck icon. We get a pop-up for managing the shipment. It has three options: creation of new shipment, adding, and removing a shipment. First, let's try to create a new shipment for the selected delivery notes. Whatever details that populates in this shipment creation pop-up are the default values that are set in Swallow desktop application, and you can change it as needed. Once you save, the newly created shipment number will be added to the selected delivery note. If you want to remove the added delivery note, you can select it and click on this remove shipment button. Then it will be removed from the selected delivery note. Similarly, if you want to add an existing shipment, again click on the truck icon. At a time, only one shipment number can be selected and this add shipment button becomes active. Once you select a shipment and click add, it will be added. Suppose if you want to add a new shipment for a delivery note which already has a shipment linked, then you click here and save. The new shipment will be created and we get a warning message that already a shipment information exists, whether we want to overwrite. You click on yes The new shipment will replace the existing shipment number. So this is how we create or link the shipment from delivery note page. The second option is from the delivery note details tab. There, the try icon is always active, and here we can attach a shipment to a specific delivery note. Multiple selection of delivery note is possible only for the first option. Here only for specified delivery note we can add. All the other steps are the same. And to remove a shipment, it is common for both the cases. If you want to remove a shipment, it can be done if it is not marked as ready to ship. If a shipment is marked as ready to ship, you cannot remove it and you cannot make any modifications to delivery notes that are already marked as ready to ship. This is a validation. So at times, if you try to do that, it will throw validation errors. So this is how we link the shipment to delivery notes. Inside the shipment tab, we have various information as number of delivery notes linked to the shipment, total number of items reserved for all the delivery notes that are linked to the shipment. Here you need to select exactly one shipment. And as you can see, towards the right side here, we have four buttons. One is update, then delete, print shipment, and send. These becomes active only based on certain criteria. You can delete a shipment number only if no delivery notes are linked to the shipment. In this example, there is only one shipment number to which we don't have any delivery notes attached. So if you click on that, this button becomes active. Instead, if you select some other, these were delete won't be possible because we have already attached the shipment. Then we have this print shipment. This will become active only if all the delivery notes linked to the shipment are printed and marked as ready to ship. In some cases, even if it becomes active, if the preconditions are not met, in this example, we don't have any shipment. And if you click, we get validation error that the criteria is not met. The send button becomes active only after printing the shipment. Only then you can mark it as sent. So these are the various buttons that we have inside the shipment tab. Then we have shipment details tab. You can go into the details either by clicking on the shipment number from the shipment tab or from inside the delivery note. Here we have shipment number and you can click and come to the details of shipment. Inside the shipment details tab, you can click the header. Here we have the shipment number. Then you get the pop-up where you can edit the shipment details. If you edit the date in this edit page, the delivery date will get cascaded to all the child delivery notes. But if you add delivery note to the shipment, then automatically the delivery note will get updated with the existing shipment date. This is how you edit the shipment details. Inside the shipment details, delivery note tab, we have the list of all delivery notes attached to the shipment. And then we have a shipment tab. It again shows the list of delivery notes, but the difference is that inside the shipment tab, the delivery notes are sorted on the basis of packing method. In the shipment details tab, after all the delivery notes are printed, if you want to print a delivery note, you need to select and click delivery note print button. Then we schedule a print. Once this batch job is completed, this hourglass symbol will be gone. And this effect is also seen in this delivery note details tab of the selected or specified delivery note. So once the delivery notes are printed and marked as ready to ship, the print shipment will become active, that is this button, and only after printing the shipment, the user will be able to mark the shipment as sent to customer. Once the send action is completed, this shipment and its associated delivery notes will be totally removed from this shipment, that is from the shipment list and from this delivery note list. So this is how the shipment functionality works in SWAP. So before we stop, let's see the whole process of how labels are printed, delivery notes are done, then marked as ready to ship, and finally a particular delivery note or shipment is marked as sent to customer. Let's select a delivery note. Let's reserve some palette first. Let's first labels are printed. It already has a shipment. So delivery note print button is active. Let's print the delivery note. The printing is in progress. Once the batch job is done, this will be automatically gone. So it's now ready for shipping. Sorry, to mark as ready to ship, it's now ready. It's marked as ready to ship. Now the print shipment is active. You can schedule the print. Once the shipment is printed, the send button becomes active. And once you mark it as sent, right now in the shipment list, we have that particular shipment number. And in the delivery list also, we have that delivery note number. So once this send action is completed, that shipment number is gone from this list, as well as if you update this page, that delivery note is also removed from this list. Hope it is clear to you all. Thank you for watching.